When we talk about housing affordability in BC, it is such a dire and really emotional issue for people. How much does the mortgage interest rate account for that?
Housing is a necessity. People need a house to live in, and
Hmm.
interest rates impact, the market. And it's not just people who own houses; it's people who rent houses that are impacted by all of this as
Mm-hmm.
well. So it's all very connected. Interest rate decreases do tend to spur up a little bit of action in the market. That's without a doubt something that we are looking at and bracing for to a degree. This interest rate decrease does offer somewhere between $45,000 and $50,000 of extra buying power for people looking to enter the market. That's not a little number. That will help somebody on the sidelines get into their first apartment or condo or townhouse, without a doubt. Does interest rate increases or decreases affect housing prices? To a degree, I'm sure, but the biggest driving factor is actually the supply and demand problem.
Mm.
Particularly in markets like Vancouver and Toronto, we just do not have enough units to house the number of people here. So until we see some, more inventory on the market, or it's hard to say how that problem will be solved. So interest rate decreases allow a little bit more activity because it makes housing more affordable, more accessible for Canadians. But does it solve the problem? No, definitely not.